this bike is back to Cayenne factory today. Yep. We're all going. 6:45. Flores, let's go! Let's do. And that's going back too. Yep. Headpiece, rattling.
Let go!
That one, full frame replacement. Full frame replacement.
Oh wow! I can't even receive.
Ow! Where, Macus?
Oh, okay. You said we needed space.
Yes, I need space.
We needed space.
What space? Florence!
It's this guy.
Office pretty good.
Get off.
Yeah, get some
Get
food
off of
before
me.
go to the factory. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, the frame is cracked. So yeah, we're gonna get a replacement frame. We finally got the Cayenne now. It's a super low-key office, I gotta say.
We were looking for the logo from afar.
Yep. We know it's the right place because every single car got a roof rack on it. So I just dropped off the two bikes to Cayenne, and they'll give us a call when it's done. And these two legends wants to check on Rafa, so we have to drive all the way back to the city. Bless. I'll see you in a bit.
I have to say, this bench is a bit too high for me.
Yeah, I know, I do it down here.
Alright, I want to do it low.
Oh, is that a G7X? Mark II?
Yeah.
They're good.
Alright, here you go.
Look at the control.
I don't know, I think I can only do a height for the time being.
Yeah, that's nice. Oh, it does a bit sloppy.
Hey, 3 years, okay?
It's too easy. Alright, this legend is gonna make the coffee now.
The height, but really,
Like,
I think
can do. I know.
makes sense if it's garlic.
Well, I think this looks like a garlic, and she said looks like an art.
Wow. Alright, go for it.
Yeah, we'll give him a chance.
How long has it been for you? 10 years?
I reckon it's gonna look like a Bureria.
Nah, more of like a cassette, a scattered cassette.
Alright, I see.
Breathe. Don't breathe. What, too fast? You're going too fast, bro.
Shut up.
That is a blob.
Wait, that was so much. You make me laugh. Hey,
That looks like a flat white man.
So what do you think? Your blob?
that's a flat white. I want a refund. Didn't pay anything. Definitely want a refund now.
I'm gonna enjoy my coffee made by Will.
Mine's a garlic. Mine.
Doesn't look like a cow. Here can like a
Garlic, like a garlic.
Okay, garlic clove. Yeah, or an onion. That's
It doesn't look like a derailleur.
Oh.
Got my bike back.
Yeah, so we're at Cayenne, just pick up the bike, and it's really good. These legends, yeah, they just finished Tour Down Under, and it's been cleaning up the warehouse at the moment.
Come back, they don't want to give us the tour.
Yeah, we'll look around next time, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Alright, now let's have a look at the bike. Alright, there it is. Alright, legend.
I feel like it has to be a ring for this.
Oh, that's professional.
Wow.
That's professional.
That's too professional.
That's way too professional. So now here it is. Got a brand new frame replacement. These guys, did a fantastic job. So tell us about.
What that for?
Yeah.
So this one's pretty much a little bit of an issue with the front neck on there. So we've had a new frame on there rebuilt up. Brake lines have been cut down, shortened a little bit. Just get it a bit tidier.
Should change better too now, yeah? Now that it's the chains are more on point.
Chain's been cut down, that's been shortened as well.
Yeah.
So that ring neck's getting a bit quicker. But just to tidy up pretty much. Always have it is.
Perfect.
Yep.
Keep it easy.
All right. Thank you so much.
That's
Yeah.
right.
She's gonna be very happy.
Yep.
Thank you very much. Thanks. Look at this.
Yep.
Let's go ride tomorrow.
Let's go.
Definitely good.
Brand new. You should drop it again.
Yeah, should I?
It's about as nice as it is.